Hey guys, so this video is for those who are getting the DLL errors when they are trying to run their game. So I'm going to show you three options and three solutions that you'll be using so that you can maybe able to mitigate the issue. So now for the first option, the first thing you have to do is check if your system is a 32-bit system or a 64-bit system. Now how to check that? So go to this PC or my computer, right click, properties. Okay. In the properties, you will find system type 64-bit operating system. So that means my system is 64-bit. Your might be 32-bit, your might be 64-bit. You just should know what system you have. After this, the first solution will be manually downloading the DLLs. Okay, so I'll show you how to download the DLLs. So for example, the DLL missing is D3DX9. So just write the name of the DLL, download, click the first file that comes up, first website, scroll down. Now there will be 2 to 4 files. Now which file you download depending on 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, so if you have a 64-bit system, you download the first one. But if you have a 32-bit system, you download the second one. Okay, every DLL will have different versions. Let me show you another example. For example, D3D compiler 43. This is also a common error. Okay, I'll click on it. Now it also has two versions, one for 32-bit, one for 64-bit. So whatever you need, download that one. Okay. So once you have downloaded it, let me mine is 64-bit. So I'll download this one. Just give it a second. There. Then save as. Let's save it on desktop for now. After that, just extract it. Okay, you need WinRAR, but if you have Windows 10, you should have it. Extracting is just you can just open it and drag it to the desktop. It should extract it. Okay. Now, once you have extracted all the DLLs, just copy them, copy, and go to the folder where game is installed. Okay, in the game folder. Okay, in the game folder, just paste it. Okay, I already have it, so it says you want to replace the file. Okay, just paste it. Now, this should solve it. If it doesn't solve it, what's the next solution? So the next solution is we try to reinstall the game. Okay, so what do we do differently when we reinstall the game? So if the setup is open like this is a different game, don't mind that. So when you're on this screen where it shows you, okay, earlier I told you to deselect all the options, okay, because sometimes due to those options, the installation can like get stuck, for me at least, and like couple of others as well. So you can try turning them on back. Okay, just check all the boxes, update DirectX, download, install C++, redirect, redistributive. Just click all those, try installing the game again. Okay, if you can install the game again with all the boxes checked, great, the game should work. But if your installation is getting stuck, like it has been going on for an hour and is just stuck at 50% or 70%, and last time it took only, let's say, half an hour, and this time it's taking more than an hour and still not done, that means your installation is stuck. So then you have to cancel it, because these options can get your installation stuck sometimes, and they do need the internet connection, because it will download these services from the internet and install it automatically, right? So it needs the internet. So it can also get stuck if you don't have internet. So be careful. Okay. Now that's the second option. The third option is we download these manually. Like we will uncheck these in the installer, but we will download them on our own. Okay. So for example, the Visual C++ redistributable. Okay. Now this also has two versions, a 32-bit and a 64-bit. So depending on your system, select the 32-bit or the 64-bit. Like I'll go download. Now it asks me x64. X64 means this is for a 64-bit system, and x86 means it's for a 32-bit system. Okay, check the one you need. Next, and it should start downloading there. Okay, just save as, and you'll be done. The next thing you will be downloading is the .NET framework. Okay, just write .NET framework, and the first website that comes up, just download NET framework 4.8. Here, click on the download NET framework runtime, and again, you'll have the setup. Okay, now after installing all these, just restart your system once, and that should get the game working if it was not earlier. Okay, after reinstalling them, these applications, the .NET framework and the C++ redistributable, if there's still an issue, okay, then try reinstalling the game with the boxes unchecked. Okay, so that means the installer can pick up these files from the system. Okay, this should solve all your issues. Still, if you're getting any issues, free free to contact me. You can comment, and my email is also in the description. So that will be all. Thank you.